Hello everyone, welcome to our unboxing video. Today, we will show you the new MinewTag electronic shelf label colorful kit. Open the box, we can see all the products and accessories neatly arranged inside. Take a look at our gateway and accessories. 1G1 e-gateway. 1 thumb clip. 2 adapter boards. 1 horizontal glass clip. 1 mini stand. 1 Tesla-shaped stand B. 1 adapter board for 4.2-inch label. 2 adhesive rails. 2 anti-scratch plugs. Now, let's take a closer look at the labels. Screen size, 7.3 inch. Screen size, 4.2 inch. Screen size, 3.5 inch. Screen size, 2.9 inch. Screen size, 2.13 inch. Finally, test the actual refresh effect of these labels. The colorful kit is not only powerful and easy to operate, but also can enhance the image of the store. If you are interested in this product, please contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.